In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Yahoo Mail. Maybe you've updated your personal brand or spotted a typo. Either way, we're changing the display name that appears in the From line when you send emails. This won't change your email address or username, just the name others see. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Yahoo Mail. In the results, click the official Yahoo Mail link to go to the sign-in page. If you're already signed in, you'll land right in your inbox. Either route is fine. The goal is to reach your Yahoo Mail account. Sign in to your account with your usual credentials. If you're prompted for verification, complete it. That's just Yahoo confirming it's really you, and it helps keep your account secure. You might see a code request via text or an authenticator app. In the new Yahoo Mail view, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. It's the small circle with your photo or initials. From the menu that opens, choose Account Info. This may open in a new tab, and for security, you might be asked for your password again. Go ahead and confirm. On the Personal Info page, find the Update button in the top right and click it. This unlocks your name fields so you can make changes. If your screen looks a bit different, you might be using an older layout. That's okay. The Account Info option is still accessed from your profile icon in the top right. Click the field you want to update. First name, last name, or nickname, and type the new information. Your first and last name combine to form the display name shown to recipients across desktop and mobile. The nickname field is optional and may appear in some Yahoo experiences, but it doesn't replace your main email display name. Use proper capitalization, and if you have hyphenated or accented characters, enter them as you'd like them to appear. For best compatibility, avoid emojis and unusual symbols, since some mail apps don't render them well. When you're finished, click Done or Save to confirm. Yahoo will store your changes immediately. Back in your inbox, the new name will appear on outgoing messages. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page or sign out and back in. Some recipients may have your old details saved in their contacts, so they might see the update after a little time. That's normal and outside your control. Quick reminder, this process changes only your display name. If you need a different email address, that's a separate change and isn't covered here. And that's it. You searched for Yahoo Mail, signed in, opened your profile, went to Account Info, clicked Update, edited your name, and saved. Simple and done.